Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool car, 1966 Dodge Charger. Great car, guys. Hits the road great. And yes, it's got a 426 Hemi underneath the hood. It is not a factory Hemi car. It was a factory, I believe, 383 car. But great car. I think this has always been a very nice car that well, matter of fact, in 2018, the car was restored. But a lot of the car is actually still original. And this car is very nice. It's got 95,000 original miles on the odometer. Good, solid, straight body. It's supposed to have all the original body panels on it. Very original underneath. This is the factory color combination. It is a gold metallic. ZZ1 is the code. I wish we had some more sunshine on it because, man, it just pops. I believe most of that interior is actually original. Brand new BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it with brand new 15-inch chrome Magnum 500s. And yes, it is a Hemi with air. How cool is that? Air blows cold too. I think they've had this stuff polished, but I think it's original. The bumpers I do think they've replaced. Couple little touch-up marks. I think actually that'll come off, but I didn't see a whole lot you could really pick at in the paint. Again, it was restored in 2018. I don't know the mileage on the restoration. He didn't give me that, but it can't be too many. Very nice car. Like I say, good, solid, straight body, slick paint. Car really drives down the road great. Nice and tight. Again, as you walk around, you can pick at some stuff, but still really nice, guys. Factory air car. Yes, the air works. Little blemish there. Look, the paint's slick, though. They've added this spoiler, which, man, I like it. I think it looks really cool. Love the front headlights and love the taillights on these cars. They are super cool. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Again, brand new rubber, brand new wheels. I think it's got 2.5-inch flows on it. It's got those chrome tips. Great sound. That's a good looking body style right there. They've converted it to front disc brakes, power front disc brakes. Man, I hope we get some sunshine on this thing. It pops. Again, it is a crate 426 Hemi, 650 horse. It's set up to cruise though, guys. This thing is not crazy. No big monster gear in the back. Like I say, it's got air that blows cold. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition, Mopar radiator with a shroud, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's a single 4-barrel, aluminum intake with headers. 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. There's your original tag. I'll make sure I get a photo on there as well. Good car. Looks like a lot of the front end looks brand new. Like I said, I just don't think they put very many miles. There you can see that gold metallic pop a little bit. Pretty color. Yeah, it's got factory. I think all the glass is original on this car. It's all shaded glass. how nice that is. And that's original stuff, man. Look at that. That's what I say. I think this car has always been a very nice car. Original mirror. Again, look how nice this stuff is. And I think all that stuff's original. I think it's got the original door handles. I mean, really nice. Door seams are nice and clean. Interior is really nice. A little fade on the carpet, but oh, I do have new mats. They're on the way for it. Those sill plates look original. Factory bucket seats with a full-length console, which is super cool. That's really neat. Headliner looks good. Really nice steering wheel on there. Yes, the gauges do work. 95,705 on your odometer, and the lighting works. I know that's well, the last one I had, somebody spent $3 grand making sure that the lights illuminated around those. Those are really cool. If you've never seen them, I'll post a picture in the dark. Aftermarket gauges there. The radio comes on. It is a factory AM radio. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, just a stock rear axle. It's no big gear, guys. Definitely something you can get on the expressway and cruise. If you wanted more performance out of it, you could change the gear. But like I say, this guy's got it set up to turn the key, take it to the car shows, and cruise. The original bias ply spares in there. You can see it's all body color like it's supposed to be. That's probably the original paint, actually, in there. Everything opens and closes really nice. Just a nice car. Again, very original underneath. I think that's your factory undercoat. And it's supposed to have all the original body panels. I didn't see where anything had been changed. How nice those door seams are. I mean, even this stuff, look how nice it is. That's what makes me think this has always been a nice car. Look how clean the seams are in the quarters. Seats look really good. The aftermarket tach. Center console's nice. Yeah, those A-pillars are great. Always fires right up too. See, he's got the air on, air blows cold. That's just a good car right there. All the factory gauges are working, and the good oil pressure. You can see all that, 60 pounds of oil pressure. So he's just got the aftermarket. It's probably because a lot of people do that to just make sure, because the aftermarket gauges are a little more accurate than the factory ones. Love those tail lights. On, but I couldn't really get it stationed. Yeah, like I say, blower motor works. What's the remote, Nathan? Oh, I wonder if there's an aftermarket one somewhere. There's probably an aftermarket one. Flip those back on. I bet there's an aftermarket radio in there. Probably in the glove box. I haven't even opened the glove box yet. Well, open them all the way up, Nathan. Keep going, keep going. There you go. All that stuff works. Turn signals are cool on this one. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.